Hi guys, it's Mrs. Carlile. So Story Stage has decided to bring some language lessons into your home during this time while we're all stuck in our houses. And we're going to be talking about different themes every video. So this language lesson is going to be about describing objects. And we're going to be talking about what kinds of clues or words we're going to think about when we think about how to describe something. So we're going to get started with a couple of objects that I've just found in my house. So the first thing we're going to talk about is a flower. I got these at Tom Thumb yesterday. What group is it in? Well, there are a couple of ways we could go with this. We could say it's a flower, or we could say, in a larger sense, it's a plant. Let's go with plant for right now. Okay, so let's think about parts. Well, this flower has some petals here and a stem. What color is it? Well, flowers can be all sorts of colors. This one's orange. I'm not sure how important that's going to be in our description, but that's okay. And then, can you think of anything else that might be important for a flower? I don't know about size or shape. That would be kind of hard to describe. How about smell? Yes, flowers smell good. All right. So once you have all of your clues, we're going to try to put them in a great sentence. You're always going to start with your group. So a flower is a kind of plant that has petals and a stem, and you find in a grocery store, a vase, or a field. And people use them for decoration or maybe in a wedding, and they smell good. There you go. We just described a flower. All right, are you ready to do another one? I've got some Cocoa Puffs here. Let's try to describe Cocoa Puffs. What group are Cocoa Puffs in? Well, they could be breakfast food if we wanted to go big, a big category, but a smaller category might be cereal. So let's go with that. We're going to say Cocoa Puffs are in the cereal group. Where do you find Cocoa Puffs? Well, you can find them at the grocery store, Target. I found these in my pantry. How do you use them? People usually use them to eat breakfast. And what are the parts, or what goes with Cocoa Puffs? Well, usually people eat Cocoa Puffs in a bowl, and they use a spoon, and there's milk. So spoon, bowl, and milk go with Cocoa Puffs. I'm not sure color is very important here, or shape, or size, or smell. Maybe taste? What do Cocoa Puffs taste like, besides yummy? Would you say sweet or salty? Definitely sweet. They are sweet. So let's put that into a sentence. Cocoa Puffs are a type of cereal that you find in the grocery store or your pantry. You use them to eat breakfast, and cereal goes with a bowl, a spoon, and milk. And it tastes really sweet. Okay guys, great job. We described two objects that I just found in my house today. One is a flower and one is a type of cereal. So now it's your turn. I want you to go find two things from your house and describe them to me in a video and send it back on Seesaw. We can't wait to see what you come up with. Remember, you're going to start with the group, and then you're going to name things like its parts, where you find it, how you use it, its color, its size or shape, its smell, its feel, its taste or what it sounds like, and maybe its shape. All right? Get to work. See you next week.